is the Eufy Floodlight Cam E340. This is brand new and it is a dual camera system. It actually has a 3K camera and a 2K 3x optical zoom with an f1.6 aperture lens to give you dual views. Now inside the box, they include everything that you're going to need. This is a wired floodlight camera. So you've got the light and you've got the camera system built right in. It is wired, so you will need to wire this into existing electrical. They give you some serious warnings about how bright the 2000 lumen dual lights are on this E340 floodlight cam. And I gotta say, when I turned them on, they were bright. So yes, do not look directly into them. On the end of the camera, you've got an SD card slot, a USB Type-C port, and the reset button. It was very straightforward to get this thing set up and hooked up, just like all my other Eufy cameras have been. It's done through a simple QR code that you will find on the back of the camera. So just add another device, select the camera that you're adding, scan the QR code. There's another warning on that floodlight.
Press the sync button until you hear the beep.
Unlike other security cameras, this actually supports dual band Wi-Fi 6, including 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. So connectivity to this is really solid and you've got a lot of options when connecting to your Wi-Fi network. You can see here that I'm connecting to a 2.4 gigahertz network, but actually it's later connected to a 5 gigahertz network and had blazing fast speeds. And once you get the setup done, it's gonna come alive. It is a 360-degree pan and tilt camera. Make sure you do any firmware updates necessary, but let's get it installed. I decided to remove this 1-year-old motion floodlight that for some reason now feels very archaic and dumb, I guess. Anyway, this camera, the E340, was going to replace not only the features of the motion light, be much brighter than this LED light that was here, but also provide that 360-degree camera security. Now, if you're not comfortable with doing electrical work, please hire a licensed electrician to do this work. I always take precautions when doing electrical work, always making sure that the wires are not hot before I work with them. Put on the back plate here, make sure you got all the gaskets on the back side to keep it sealed up. It was a very simple install. They even included this little hook, which I absolutely thought was very thoughtful of Eufy to include, because you can actually just take the little knot that's on the wire, hook it onto the metal hook while you get all the wiring plugged in properly. They make it super simple. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver to connect the wires in, and you're in business. This is inside the Eufy Security mobile app. It actually allows you to adjust so many different things, including the sensitivity range, the preset positions. These are default positions that you can set. And look at this here. You can even turn around and look back at your wall. Here's some initial color night vision with the floodlight assist. That floodlight really makes everything come to light. Here's the 2000 lumen floodlight on 80%. You can adjust the brightness, which is really nice, but look how much this thing illuminates this side yard area here. I've got some steps coming up on my property here, so it just really lights up this whole area. If anybody were to come up this back entrance, they would not only be on camera, but we would see them very clearly. And you can also see the top view, which is the 3K camera, and the bottom view, which is the 2K 3x optical zoom, both recording at the same time. Here's what it looks like without the floodlights on and no night vision turned on, just ambient light coming from my backyard. And here it is with just the black and white night vision, which is still pretty sharp, but color night vision is definitely the way to go on the E340. When you first power up the E340, it will do its own calibration to give itself awareness of the entire space. This thing can really see everywhere. Inside the Eufy app itself, you can connect this up to a Homebase 3. So it does support Eufy Homebase 3, and all you have to do is go into the settings, click on Edge Connection, and then agree to connect it via Wi-Fi to your Homebase 3. This will allow you to expand the storage up to 16 terabytes on your Homebase 3, depending on what hard drive size you have in there. And this gives you a ton of more flexibility. I have a couple of these Homebase 3s and they're absolutely the way to go if you're setting up Eufy cameras. In fact, I've slowly been expanding my Eufy cam security system here at my house, slowly removing a competitor, not to be named, cameras on my property because I'm just so pleased and confident in the Eufy security ecosystem that I've been slowly migrating over most of my smart home security devices over to Eufy smart home security devices, including this E340 Floodlight Cam. The E340 does have AI tracking built into it, so when it senses motion or movement, it locks into the human being or animal that it sees and then follows that and tracks that individual. This is actually Stacy, our pool lady, coming in to take care of our weekly pool service. Even at distance, the camera is tracking Stacy quite a ways away. I did get some false detections, very few, but the few that I did get was this tree that thought it was a human being, which I kind of get. It does look like a scary human being, but built right into the app, you have the ability to give feedback. So you can tell the app, yes, this was human or this was not, even say specifically what the issue was and give written feedback to Eufy so that they can continually improve their AI detection system, which happens to be local, by the way. It's a local AI detection system that is supported directly off of the Homebase 3. Another thing to note is that it will record these clips in whatever streaming quality you have the Floodlight camera set to. So in my case here, I had it set to auto and I was having some network issues this day. So you can see that the video feed itself recorded a little bit grainier and not at the 3K resolution. So just keep that in mind. You can set it and force it to be at 3K for the streaming, and then you'll be able to record that at the full 3K resolution for these AI triggered video clips. The Eufy Floodlight Cam E340 is a very sharp looking floodlight security camera that is feature packed and has so many options to really dial in your security. I barely touched the surface on what this camera can do. Let me know if you guys want more follow-up videos to go deeper into the settings and everything that this E340 Floodlight Cam by Eufy can do.